Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Cookie Run Kingdom error code 40001. The error reads, Login failure. As per our research, this error occurs when players try to log into the game but are unable to, even when entering the correct email and password. The reason for this error is unclear, but it may be due to server issues, an outdated game version, or an account authentication problem. The first thing you should try is restarting your device along with your internet connection. Once your device is back on, relaunch the game and check if the error still comes. If restarting doesn't work, check if there are any pending updates for the game. If an update is available, install it and try logging in again. If the error still appears, try resetting your account password and try logging in with the new password and see if this helps. If none of these solutions work, reach out to game support and report the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.